Hi, this is Derek at ChiroLoop and welcome to your new site. This is a video where I'm going to show you what to do when you first open up your site. So you've gotten your new site and you've gotten this email from us with a link to the development site, and you've clicked the link and here you are looking at this new site and you don't really know what to do. So that's what I'm going to show you. What you'll notice is if you look at your link, you see something like Dev12 or Dev13 or something like that at ChiroLoop.com. We do this so that we have a preview site so that you can go in and make all kinds of changes and get everything right before we move it to your normal domain. So what you're going to want to do, first of all, is learn how to log into your site, and you do that just by coming up to the address bar, clicking the right arrow so you can get rid of the highlighting, and you're just going to put a slash and just put login. Now you notice when I click enter, the actual address is wp/login, but we use a redirect here just to make it easier. So you just need to put /login, hit enter, and then you're going to be looking at something like this. It's asking you for your username and password. That's going to be in your email. So when I log in, I'm just going to put that in. And it'll take me to what's called the dashboard. When you get to the dashboard, you'll probably have a nice little welcome message here. And it'll direct you towards this user manual where there's all kinds of videos on what you can do with your site. Actually, one of the videos you're actually looking at now, it's the you'll see a video first here. This will be the one you're looking at. So this is a little bit different in this setup. Anyways, I don't want you to be overwhelmed by these videos. There's a lot of them, but they're only about 1 minute long, and they're really broken down between different things like posts and pages and things like that. So first you're going to want to look at the videos that I set up for you, and then you can refer to these later. But what I want to show you in this video is kind of what to do first. So from this dashboard, you'll notice every page in the dashboard, if you go to the bottom, you'll see a link to ChiroLoop. And this is how you get to your main account. So if I click that, it takes me to the ChiroLoop website. I can click on support, and this is where I can get to my actual client pages. So you'll notice it's another email address and password, and this is different. This is not your website email and password. This is your ChiroLoop. So this is going to be the email address that you used to sign up with us and the password you chose when you signed up. So you're going to go ahead and put in your email address. And if you don't remember your password, that's okay. Just click the request a password reset and you'll get an email with a link to reset your password. I'm going to put mine in. All right, and what you'll be looking at when it opens up is your account information. So this is the stuff that you used when you signed up. So you'll notice that you'll have your email address here. It'll show you if you have any support tickets that are open. There's a button here to open a new support ticket, but keep in mind, you can also open support tickets just by sending an email to support@chiroloop.com from the email address that's in your account. Also, any due invoices. The invoices are going to be billed to your credit card automatically. So you usually won't have to go in here for anything. But what you can do, probably the most common thing people do in here is go to update your details. And you can change your email address that's attached to your account. You can also click on the credit card details and you can change your payment method. So if you want to change to use a different credit card or a business credit card or a personal credit card, you can go ahead and do that too. You can change your password in here if you want to use something that's easier for you to remember. And also you can set up contact sub-accounts. This means that you can set up your CA or your office manager to also receive emails. So if you put in their name here and you put in their email address, you can click what kind of emails you want them to receive. So support emails or invoice emails if you want them to know when the invoices go through so they can keep track of it for you. You can do that here. And if you click activate a sub-account, you can actually set them up with their own password so that they can actually log into your ChiroLoop account to handle things like bills. But I think most people hardly ever log in here at all because everything is automated. So I want you to know that it's here and what you can do with it. But other than that, if you want to open up support, you can do it directly through your email. You don't need to come back here. But if you ever want to change your email address, your password, or your billing information, you can do that all from this account. All right, so I'm going to close this out. Go back to the dashboard. Right here I'm looking at the dashboard. You can see this is the menu where I can add pages to my site. I can add additional blog posts to my site. Anybody who comments on my site, I'll be able to control those from here. And of course, under the appearance menu, I can go to the customizer and I can start making all kinds of changes to my site. So that's what we're going to do next. So you've got your new site, you know how to log in. I'm going to go up here to see where it says this is going to be where the name of your site is. And then you have this thing called visit site. I'm actually going to click on that because now what I'm doing is I'm looking at the front end of my site again, but now I'm actually logged in. So you can see that this bar is at the top, the admin bar, showing that I'm actually still logged in. You can see over here, edit my profile and log out. So I can actually look at the front end of my site while logged in. and it makes it really easy to edit pages because I can click this edit page button up here. So what we're going to do next is start with the front page. We're going to look at the logos, how to change this kind of stuff, your office information. Make sure that it's already correct. It should already be correct when you get the site open, but if it's not, it's really easy to fix it. We're going to change some headlines. We're going to change some images. I'm going to show you how easy all this is to do in the next video, right? So what you're going to do next is just go back to the name of your site in the admin bar, click on dashboard. This will take you back to your dashboard. Go up to user manual and click videos, and just click the next video in the section, and that'll show you what to do next.